Hi everybody, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As exam is near, that is COQP 17. So it's very important that you should keep on revising and also focus on current affairs part as well. So in this video, we are going to cover a very important topic related to ICT, which is Information and Communication Technology. We'll be covering full forms related to ICT. And if you would have checked previous year questions, then you would have noticed that full forms are there in the question paper related to ICT. So let's get started without any further delay. First one is MP3, which stands for MPEG Audio Layer 3. Next we have WAV, which stands for Waveform Audio File Format. Next we have MOV, which stands for Apple QuickTime Movie. Next we have WMV, which stands for Windows Media Window. AVI stands for Audio Video Interleave. MKV stands for Matroska Video. Matroska Video. Next we have FLAC, which stands for Free Lossless Audio Codec. Next is ZIP, which stands for Zipped File Archive. Now these are some basics. AI stands for Augmented Reality. VR stands for Virtual Reality. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. SMS stands for Short Message Service. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. RAR stands for Rochelle Archive. TAR stands for Tape Archive. Now we have these LAN WAN. So LAN stands for Local Area Network. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. IP stands for Internet Protocol. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. HDD stands for Hard Disk Drive. SSD stands for Solid State Drive. BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. OS stands for Operating System. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. DBMS stands for Database Management System. SIM, which is SIM, stands for Subscriber Identification Module. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. DOC stands for Document. TXT stands for Text File. RTF stands for Rich Text Format. ODT stands for Open Document Text. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. JPG stands for Joint Photographic Group. TIFF stands for Tagged Image File Format. BMP stands for bitmap. GIF stands for graphics interchange format. ये आया भी था लास्ट ईयर या लास्ट के लास्ट ईयर. ग्राफिक्स इंटरचेंज फॉर्मेट. SVG इज स्केलेबल वेक्टर ग्राफिक्स. तो ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फुल फॉर्म्स थे रिलेटेड टू ICT एंड अच्छे से इसको याद कर लो. एग्जाम में कंफ्यूजिंग सा आता है, जैसे कि यहाँ पे है GIF ग्राफिक्स इंटरचेंज फॉर्मेट, तो ये आ सकता है ग्राफिक्स इंटरफेस फॉर्मेट MCQ के ऑप्शन में. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि अच्छे से ये याद रहे ताकि MCQ में जो ऑप्शंस दिए होंगे उसको देख के कंफ्यूजन ना हो. ऑल राइट, बेस्ट विशेस, बाय बाय.